Good morning, guys. This is going to be my 4-point breakfast. It is 3 for 2 tablespoons of the salted caramel coffee mate, and 0 for the splash of unsweetened almond milk, and 1 for the sugar that I'm going to put on my strawberries.
Maybe not. It's like chili.
Hello everybody, so this is my lunch. It is a 5-point lunch. 4 for the veggie hot dogs, 0 for the condiments, and 1 for a fourth of a cup of corn. The app that I'm using is really strange because the camera is like over here and it's really hard to keep my eye over here and not like look over here. But anyways, so we went to Froyo for a treat. The weekends are really difficult because my family is home. I have 4 boys, they all like sweets. My husband's home. Through the week it's good because I can plan everything out and not even think twice about it. So the froyo that's pictured earlier was, I counted it as 10, I'm not even really sure, 5 for the frozen yogurt, and then I counted 5 for the toppings. I am trying to come up with a meal plan, but I am stuck on Wednesday, and this stuff is from last week. But it's getting warmer out, and it's been in like the 80s, and I don't like making like overly hot stuff, I guess, which is really, I guess, weird, I don't know. So I'm looking for more summer kinds of food. So I am going to keep on working on this. Planning for success. Okay, so here is my dinner because we had leftover from lunch. This is 5 points. 4 for the veggie hot dogs, 1 for the cheese, 0 for the condiments. It looks like there's a lot, but there's not. And I also didn't mention when I was at work I had 8 smart points worth of nut thins. So that brings me down to 1 left for the day.